Hey guys, welcome back. So I did 4 different wedges using the smaller domain, so it's faster to work with, and the settings for the particle separation is 0.1, 0.08, 0.05 and 0.04, and the difference is quite huge between all of them. And this is something very tricky with Flip. Well, it's not tricky, it's something that we can get around without having to do high-res sims or something between the mid-res to high-res to be able to properly judge the animation and the sim correctly. Now here you can see we're not getting a lot of details. There is not a lot of splashes, not a lot of droplets, so we can't start tweaking based on this preview. And then the higher it goes, the more splashes we're gonna see, and we're gonna start noticing issue. For example, here the droplets are flying too far away, and that's something that we don't want. We want to fix that. And as you can, if you look at the boundaries as well, they are deforming quite a bit, so we want to fix that. Now obviously if we increase the domain, it's going to help see or give this more space to propagate, but we don't want this pull effect because there is no resistance to these propagating foam and waves. But when you're in ocean, you get a lot of drag, you get a lot of resistance because the waves, whether they're small or choppy, they're gonna break down any splashes or any movement the water is having. So it's very important to implement that as well, and control the wave propagation effect. And this resolution is a very good starting point to use. So if we wanted to do further testing, it's best to stay in this range, because with this one we can see all the details. This one is also very good, and it's a bit faster than this one, so we may go with this one first to do the further tweaks if we wanted to try other settings, and then once we're happy with all the tweaks, we can move on and use a smaller radius, a smaller particle separation, maybe even 0.03, and increase the domain to add more space for this to work properly. So that's pretty much it. It's very important to do these tests to see which one gives you enough visual information so that you can comment and decide what to do with the sim. It's also very important to find the sweet spot based on your scene scale and the best value that would work in your example. And in this case, something between 0.05 is good for the test, and then for the final 0.04 or 0.03. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.